My name is Ian Barnard. I'm the lecturer in technical theatre here at the Royal Welsh College, Music and Drama. The foundation degree in technical production is a course designed to get you the skills you need to work in any of the technical departments in the entertainment industry. So we focus the teaching on the theatre industry, but those skills can be used in any other situation like live music gigs, corporate events, dance, opera, and more. We focus on the solid understanding of the skills needed to be a general technician, but we then also give the opportunity to specialise in one or more departments.
You get hands-on training straight away. When you first arrive, you're straight into practical lessons about desks, flying systems, all different types of rigging. The training here at RWCMD really prepares you to go out into the industry.
If you've had any sort of technical experience and you want to pursue a career in this industry, this course could help get you there. You'll be training in the main campus here in the heart of Cardiff, but there's also placements and learning opportunities with some of our partners, hire companies and theatres across Cardiff. There are world-class venues and companies who are at the forefront of the UK creative industries.
I chose RWCMD to study because of the sheer amount of placements as well as the variety within those placements. I have studied across numerous different styles such as opera, acting, musical theatre and events.
On placements, you'll spend time working within companies and theatres alongside professionals and experiencing the work firsthand. We have brilliant facilities here at college. We have 4 performance spaces and we often use external venues as well. Your tutors and supervisors are all industry experts who work in the roles that they teach about.
For me, Cardiff is one of the most creative cities I've ever been in. TV, film, theatre and events. There is so much opportunity out there.
After you finish the course, you'll be in a great position to work in any of the live event industries. That could be theatre, live music, event companies, hire companies, opera, dance, circus. There are lots of opportunities you could explore. You'll have an excellent fundamental knowledge that you can use straight away, but also build upon as your career progresses. This course is exciting because you get a chance to put the skills you learn into practice on college productions. While you're training, you'll get a chance to meet current and future industry professionals who will be an invaluable network for you moving forward. This is an exciting time to join the industry and we look forward to welcoming you to the college.